There are few art experiences in America that compare to walking into the Rivera Court at the Detroit Institute of Arts, where Diego Rivera in the mid-30s painted 27 panels celebrating Detroit industry. The centerpiece of the mural are two giant walls portraying the actual process of making a car. He clearly fell in love with the machinery, and there's a sense of action, there's a sense of sculpture, there's a sense of almost awe as we watch these workers go through all the stages to put together a car, watched by a queue of tourists, including people like Dick Tracy. Join us as we go through these murals live with an educator at the Detroit Institute of Arts on February 10th between 12:30 and 1:30.